Okay, everyone, could you have your camera on? I'm going to take one screenshot just for a few seconds. Yeah, thank you. Bianca, are you not at home? Are you outside? Okay. Okay. So finally, this is our last sessions, yeah. Time really flies and tomorrow you're going to have the test. Okay, so let me count to 3. Hopefully more and more are joining us. Yeah. Okay, Audrey, are you ready? Atika? Rosita? Let's count to 3.
Sorry, I can turn my camera on. Yes.
Okay, that's okay, Audrey. Let me count to 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Thank you. Yeah, so let's directly have the discussions. If you need to pray for those who are going to have Maghrib prayer, please ya. Silahkan boleh. Ini dulu kalau yang waktu Surakarta sudah mulai azan. Thank you. Oke ya, sambil kita cocokkan before we are going to have. Oke. Oh ya, yeah, that's okay Bianca. Okay, let's continue to have this ya. Kita cocokkan sebelum kita getting into. I'm going to share another link so that you can input your work. Yeah, you can input your previous work in the practice test, and you're going to improve that writing. Yeah, based on what you have just learned. Yeah, let's say this. Okay. So you need to put the topic sentence. Yeah, Audrey, could you help me to read out this for task 1, number 1? Which topic sentence is the best? So this is number 1. Yeah, please.
Okay, wait. Sending card is very popular in North America. North Americans send cards for many occasions. They send cards to family and friends on birthdays and holidays. They also send thank you cards, get well cards, graduation cards, and congratulation cards. It is very common to buy cards in stores and send them through the email. But turning on the computer and sending cards over the internet is also popular.
Okay, so it's not only about it's not only about birthday cards or thank you cards, yeah. So cards, there are some different kinds of cards. Yeah, sending cards is very popular. Correct. Yeah, it's A. Number 2, Bianca, please, your part. Yeah, could you read out the part, number 2?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, is that possible for you to read?
Yeah, it is possible for me to read.
Okay, please, number 2.
Summer is my favorite season. I enjoy summer sports like water skiing and baseball. The weather is usually sunny and hot, so I can go to the beach almost every day. Gardening is my hobby, and I spend many summer days working in my garden. Unfortunately, the days pass so quickly in summer. The answer is B.
Okay, great. Yeah, summer is my favorite season. Agree. Thank you, Bianca. Okay, so let's move to number 3. Sosa, please.
We should raise city taxes. First of all, we need money to repair old roads and build new roads. We also need more to pay teachers' salaries and to pay for services such as trash collection. Finally, more tax money is needed to give financial help to the poor citizens of the city. It is clear that the city will have a serious problems if taxes are not raised soon.
Right, so we have connectors here, yeah, that we can use to connect your ideas properly, yeah, or clearly. Ada beberapa yang mentioning that you have not used conjunctions in your text, so that it makes it a bit not clear to read, ya. Jadi strukturnya, the arrangement is not flowing yet. The flow is not yet able to combine, ya, the ideas in the sentence. Nanti kita coba ya. So by using your previous writing in the practice test, you're going to improve your writing. Thank you. Okay, so the answer is A. We should raise city taxes. Number 4. Audrey, please.
Okay, please.
Yeah.
B. Advances in technology have made the world seem smaller. For example, a person can have breakfast in New York, board an airplane, and have dinner in Paris. A businesswoman in London can instantly place an order with a factory in Hong Kong by sending a fax. Furthermore, a schoolboy in Tokyo can turn on a TV and watch a baseball game being played in Los Angeles.
Very good. Yeah. So B, advances in technology have made the world seem smaller. And you have conjunctions here. Yeah. Bisa menggunakan for example, blah, blah, blah. And if you want to add more ideas, you can use moreover, furthermore, yeah, in addition. Conjunctions yang bisa kita gunakan to mention point followed by supporting sentences. Okay. Number 5, yeah. Oops. Arya, Nur Hafiza.
Yes, Miss. Okay. There are several factors to consider when you choose a university to attend. One thing you must consider is the quality of the university's educational program. You also need to think about the school size and location. Finally, you must be sure to consider the university's tuition to make sure you can afford to go to school there.
Very good. Yeah. There are several factors to consider when you choose a university to attend. Yeah. Bisa ada one thing, next, finally. Yeah. Finally is used not to close, yeah, not to end your paragraph, but finally is used to mention your last point. Jadi misalnya if you do have 3 points in your text, first, similarly, finally, belum conclusion, ya. So we do not use finally untuk concluding. Nanti ada yang last one pakai expressions yang digunakan untuk giving conclusion. Oke, kita cocokkan yang ini. Memang I just want you to read and know the pattern, ya, bahwa every sentence must be connected. Ya, kalau yang di luar tema ya jangan dimasukkan gitu. So we need to put ourselves on the track. Yes, good. The first one yang bukan, ya, itu fourth. He should not wear this watch on his right wrist. Kemudian yang mana? The second one. Ngapain? Is still moving? Yeah. What do you think about this? Adakah yang having different answer atau sama? One of the dangers on country roads is wildlife. Yeah. Do you think that drivers may run into danger? Ini masih terhubung, Yumna?
Yes, Miss.
Iya, right. Masih ada ya. Jadi driver should look out for the Kemudian another danger is, ini memang tricky ya. Jadi another danger is unmarked lanes. Ya, lane lines are yellow or white. Ini bisa kita buang ya. We do not need to describe. Another danger. Kenapa itu dangerous gitu kan? Another danger is unmarked. Ya, unmarked apa lagi ya? Unmarked ya. So you don't have any mark gitu. Unmarked lanes ya. Langsung lane lines are yellow or white, you do not need to have this ya. Tapi drivers may run into danger ya, ini masih ada kaitannya dengan konteks yang ada di sini. Good. So the correct answer for this ya, ini yang di highlight di mana ya? Ya. Mungkin yang di highlight Atika bisa kita normalkan. Ya, oke. Oke. And next ya, and next we have the mirror. Very good. Yeah, we do not need this. Terus apa yang last one? Yes, great. Dah, benar. Ya. So you know how to write the topic sentence. I think we have so limited. Nah, yang ini untuk latihan sebenarnya kalau ada topik sentence gini ya, what is in your ideas ya, what is in your mind when talking about this topic sentence gitu. Nah, kata tanya ini, kalimat tanya ini bisa kita gunakan untuk start writing ya, sama seperti yang ada di past speaking kemarin ya. Jadi poin-poin gitu untuk latihan. Ya, asking about place, dengan siapa, kapan, ya, you can use the WH questions. Ya, oke. Nah, in terms of concluding, ya, ntar nanti silakan ya yang mau sholat bisa sholat dulu. Untuk yang concluding sentence, ini ada contohnya ya, catatan. Jadi tadi kan ada jenis teks ya. Jenis teksnya itu ada apa? Ada argumentative ya salah satunya, descriptive, argumentative, recount. Di recount at the end of the sentence untuk conclusionnya itu recount itu gimana sih? Telling about past events. Ya. Conclusionsnya itu bisa berupa what did you feel at that time? Ya. Was it a good experience or was it a bad experience? Itu bisa dimasukkan seperti itu. Ya, in argumentative sama seperti yang speaking kemarin. You can take the idea from the topic sentence, you then paraphrase to make a new sentence untuk menutup. Bisa ditekankan dengan menggunakan therefore, thus. Ya. In conclusion, to sum up. Look at your first sentence, paraphrase itu, and you will get a new sentence having the same idea dengan topik sentence. Kalau argumentative seperti itu, ya. Kalau recount, how was the ending of the story? How did you feel at that time? Jadi ada jenisnya. Oke, ya. Oke, I am happy to have, ya ini. Ya. I'm happy that we have to wear a uniform to school because from the many reasons above, ya. I think you do not need to use kata many ya, mungkin bisa langsung from the reasons above because how many did you mention there? Ya. Mungkin kalau ada beberapa ya, from the reasons above gitu ya. It really makes me easier to live my school life, don't forget, period ya. Tanda bacanya. Jadi kalau udah menulis sesuai dengan strukturnya sudah paham, do not forget to check that you need to write in a complete sentence. Ya. Okay. I think it will be good if schools give freedom to their students tanpa ini ya, tanpa apostrof atas, students ini in terms of clothes, so they can feel more comfortable. Okay. I highly recommend you to use credit card for a better financial management. Very good, yeah. You can also give suggestions, ya, in argumentative. Jadi kalian bisa dapatkan apa tadi topiknya apa, di paraphrase, kemudian giving suggestions or recommendations. Very good. Apa Yumna? Ya, yes, you can use this. Gitu. Okay, ya. Nah, I hope you can have more clear understanding from having the structures. Now, I'd like you to. This is what we are going to do. We are going to improve your writing, yeah, by the structure that you have already known, yeah, from the explanations of the PowerPoint. Nah, sekarang saya akan share link so that you can please kindly input your text, ya, your previous text dulu, your previous text. So I call this before and after exercise. Okay, let me copy the link first, yeah. Oh yeah, for the second sessions, I haven't shared the attendance link, right? Let me share the link first. Di keburu lupa. Okay, so please get into the chat box, and I have shared already the attendance form. Silahkan diisikan ya. Kemudian saya akan share link untuk latihan yang kedua, which is before and exercise, before and after exercise. Yeah. Can you access the link? Is that accessible?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Thank you, Lola. Okay, now the second one is before and after exercise. Let me share my screen. Are you getting better, Lola?
No, actually, I don't know. I think it's because I've been on my screen longer than the usual day.
So after this, perhaps you really should shut down the computer and just close your eyes, get some rest.
Yes.
Okay, let me get, where is it? Okay, so let me check the link once again. Okay, right. So let me copy the link once again. Okay, so this is the newest link. I hope you can access this link. And what I'd like you to do is, you can see here we have the before and after exercise. So in this before exercise, I'd like you to copy your text here from the previous exercise, from the previous practice test. Just input the paragraph here. Okay, wait, I need the screen. Yeah, so from the practice test, please input the text there, retype the text, exactly what you have written down in the practice test.
I wanna ask something.
Yeah.
So it is the text yang ini kan is previous writing yang di recording. Is that right?
Yeah, you need to input your previous text in your practice test, just one of them, and put it in this before column, and only that.
All right, Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Azuma. Okay, great. Please take your time ya, saya sholat sebentar. Yeah, I have back here. Is it possible for you to include the questions of the task? Ya, mungkin bisa di bawah nama, boleh diketikkan questionsnya. Yeah. And I just saw that some of you got the same questions items. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think most of you have included the questions and also have your previous text included in the before column. Now, yeah, I'm giving you time with the timer. Walaupun sudah ada walaupun sudah ada yang sudah memasukkan ya, but I'm giving you a chance. I will set the timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and you can improve. And you can have your final writing. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah. So let me set the time. Think about the conjunctions that you may need to describe. Yeah. Even a descriptions of a place, ya, itu kita juga bisa pakai pola ya. Pola yaitu yang mau disebutkan apa aja. Ya, misalnya let's say describing the city that you like the most, like misalnya Bandung, ya. Yang mau disebutkan tentang Bandung itu apa aja? Bisa di entertainment or the temperature, the weather misalnya, ya. And tetap ada point and elaboration, ya. Misalnya entertainment, give example. Weather, give the details, gitu caranya, ya. So di tiap konten untuk paragraf isi, the focus is to mention the point and elaborate action. In recount, you can write the point too, ya kan? Terus elaborate the story by giving examples. Itu. So please think about the structure that you have learned in writing a good form of text. Ya, saya set waktunya. Let's have like this 5 minutes, ya. 5 minutes untuk having your final writing completed yang after ini ya. Okay. Can I have the sound here? Wait a second, let me share the sound too. Okay, share the sound. Yeah, so in 5 minutes. Oops. Let's start. Okay, everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, thank you. Now this is your time. Kalian lihat yang di afternya. I need you to highlight whether you have already or whether you do have conjunctions there. Ya, bisa di highlight conjunctionsnya dulu.
Yang ini ya.
Ya, ya. Coba ditandai, di highlight untuk conjunctions yang digunakan. Yeah. Okay. So, Alia, what is it about? Your writing. What's the question, Alia? Can you include the questions there?
Okay, I'll search for it first.
Yeah.
No. No. No.
Okay, yeah. So Alia, this is about films can tell us a lot about the country where they were made. What have you learned about another country from watching its movies? Ya, berarti you will give reasons kan ya? Right? Am I right?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. So what are the reasons? Bisa ditandai nggak reasonsnya apa aja di teks ini? So the point, you need to mention the point and elaborate. Yeah. Okay. So did you use conjunction? Yeah. Did you use conjunctions to mention the point? Is there any conjunctions you use to mention the points?
From,
Mhm.
is that counted as the conjunction?
No. So you can use from movies, yeah. Then you mention first, yeah. To mention how many reasons do you have here?
Actually, I only have one.
Oh, you only have one. Okay. So show the part of at least 50 words. Yeah. Do you have any 50 words here? How many sentences do you make? At least you have 5 sentences ya. Kalau to make approximately 10 sentences. To make about 50 words ya. Okay, anyway, okay, from movies we can learn about other countries' culture, fashion, street life, history, and architectural designs. For instance, yeah. For instance, what do you call for this part, Alia? For instance,
Learning culture.
yeah, what do you call for this part? Tadi topik sentence ya. So you have mana sih?
The elaboration. The
Elaborations, yeah, right. So the supporting sentence ada from movies we can learn about other countries' culture, and you elaborate the point. For instance, yeah, for example, okay, in a movie name ini, directed ini, I learned that unlike ini, okay. Yeah, so do you have a conclusion sentence in this part? Is there any conclusion, Arya?
I guess the last sentence is the closing.
Yeah, what is it?
It is an exceptionally interesting fact. I don't think I could find out by myself.
Yeah, I don't think I could find out by myself. It is an exceptionally, yeah, ini bisa ya. It is an exceptionally interesting fact that I don't think I could find out by myself. Yeah, okay. At least you have topic sentence, supporting sentence containing point and elaborations, and conclusion. You have a package of this, yeah. But it will be better if you can mention minimal 2 points, yeah. If you can have minimum 2 points, I think that will be better. Jadi to show the supporting sentences atau yang kita sebut di situ ada paragraf isinya, konten isinya, ya, konten isinya, kita bisa mengembangkan, develop the text itu dengan conjunctions yang menunjukkan poin gitu. Misalnya first, similarly, atau first, furthermore, gitu ya. Yeah, so you have not only one point, it will be better. More conjunctions can be used. Gitu ya. That's my suggestions. Tapi overall okay. Cuman tambah satu lagi lebih bagus. Supporting sentence-nya poinnya tambah satu lagi. Terus use more conjunctions. Okay. Soson, what is yours? Bisa tulis question-nya nggak? Yang lainnya juga yang belum tulis question saya bisa tolong tulis question saya di situ.
Oh, di kolom ya, Miss? Oke, Miss.
Di bawah nama nggak apa-apa.
Oke.
Many people visit museum when they travel to new places. Yeah.
It's a miss.
Wait. Yeah. Why do you think people visit museum? Nah, kalau ada why juga kita kan giving reason ya, gitu. Nah, Alia bisa tunjukin reasonnya mana aja. Oh, how many reasons did you mention in your text? Kalian harus sudah punya polanya ya. Nah, coba di highlight Alia. Yang lainnya juga bisa highlight. Poinnya mana saja. Jadi supporting sentences ada berapa poin yang kalian sebutkan langsung di highlight. Ya, ini poinnya ini gitu. Ya, semoga yang sedang tidak sehat segera pulih ya. Setelah ini bisa langsung istirahat because you're going to have to test tomorrow. Ya.
It's a miss.
Gimana ya, Soson, yang mana? Poinnya bisa nggak di highlight?
Udah saya highlight. Oh, belum masuk mungkin nih.
Belum kali ya, coba. Oke, museums are places where we can see the history of the place ya. Oke, terus poinnya yang mana? Soson bisa dibacakan.
Mulai dari yang in my opinion, one of the reason.
Oh ya, oke. In my opinion, one of the reasons. Oh ya, ini udah. In my opinion, one of the reason is because history is a popular attractions on a travel destination. Ya. Oke. Terus second reason is because every history is unique and irreplaceable, which makes ini gitu. Nah, ini ada poin-poinnya sudah ada. Do you have the elaboration, Susan? Is there any elaborations? Do you think you have elaboration already? Atau hanya mentioning poinnya aja?
Oh, sepertinya belum ya. Saya nggak ada.
Iya. Jadi paling nggak satu kalimat poin ya. Kemudian satu kalimat elaborations. Atau sebenarnya jadi satu kalimat juga nggak apa-apa sih. Tapi if you want to create longer text, bisa dijadiin 2 kalimat gitu. Misalnya kalau dalam satu kalimat gimana? Misalnya for example-nya itu disambungin jadi satu kalimat itu juga it will be okay ya. Tapi if you want to have ini karena ada kaitannya dengan word cuma kata itu bisa kita jadikan 2 kalimat gitu. Yeah, so in my opinion, yeah, one of the reasons is because okay. Atau bisa langsung nih because of several reasons sudah kan. First langsung gitu aja. Jadi nggak usah one of the reasons langsung of several reasons. First history is a popular gitu. First, history is a popular attractions on a travel destinations. Elaborate the idea. Yeah. Secondly, or similarly, gitu langsung aja. Similarly, every history is unique and irreplaceable, which makes ini museums an exciting place to visit. Tambah elaborations ya. Kasih contohnya apa? Bisa kasih for example atau such as gitu. Lengkap Jadi bisa ya. In conclusion, many people visit museum because it's always different and unique in every place. Ya. Ya, jadi kurang elaboration. Oke, thank you Sosan. Ya, Amel, your part. Describe yang ini ya, mungkin because we don't have enough time for this. Kita sudah bisa melihat polanya. Harapannya itu dari yang sudah koreksi, kalian bisa menyesuaikan dengan pola itu untuk teks kalian. Amel, describe one of the threats or challenges it faces and explain how it overcomes those threats or challenges. Yeah, choose a plant or animal that you think is interesting. Describe one of the threats or challenges it faces and explain how it overcomes those threats or challenges. How many points do you have here, Amel?
I think it's only one with like 2 example.
Okay, so which one is the point? Can you highlight the point?
The cats usually face threats from humans most of the time. Stray cats are particularly treated like garbage by irresponsible human beings.
Can you highlight or bold the text only to show the point? Yeah.
And should I highlight the examples also, Miss?
No, this one is enough. Okay, I believe
Okay.
cats have charms that make a lot of people decide to have them as pets to overcome the difficult time of not being able to do things normally because of the pandemic. Even though I'm more familiar with house cats than the ones that live on the street, cats usually face threats. Okay, so you are showing, so wait a second. In the beginning, you mentioned about charms, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay, and how do you relate this to the threats?
Since like house cat have this treated better than the ones that live on the street, people usually just have cats for the entertainment. And because of the their appearance, the outer appearance, so the street cats are being treated like a garbage because they have like a dirty appearances, stuff like that.
So even though I'm more familiar with house cats than the ones that live on the street, cats usually face threats from humans most of the time. Stray cats are particularly treated like garbage, okay, by irresponsible human beings. So the questions will be, okay, it talks about threats, yeah. So the focus is on the threats to cats. Am I right? Yeah. Mel?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I was just thinking that probably pretty long introductions we have here. Okay, so you do have only one point that cats usually face threats from humans, yeah, most of the time.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, for example, there are times when humans throw something dangerous or poison them since they think the cats are being annoying. Okay, The most dangerous threat for cats is my opinions. What about this part? So it has something to do with the previous text, or this one is new point?
I think it has something to do with the previous part.
Yeah, so I think we can use something to underline this, like therefore or thus. Yeah. Therefore, the most, or what do you think? Therefore, the most dangerous threat for cats is, in my opinion, humans, because you want to underline that, because you mentioned that the threats from humans, yeah, cats usually face threats from humans, right? So you can, I think you can underline this by underlining. Kalau kalian bisa mau giving an underline, bisa pakai therefore. Yeah, therefore the most dangerous threat for cats is, in my opinion, humans. Nah, berarti kalau kita pakai an emphasis di sini therefore atau thus, nanti for conclusions we can use another expression selain therefore. Gitu, ya. I usually overcome this trend by running away and not coming back to the place they have been mistreated, since they can't exactly win against humans. Yeah, so in conclusions, atau to sum up, I think as human, or you can choose another conjunctions yang bisa digunakan to conclude like thus, ya, bisa salah satu. Yeah, I think that part bisa di garis bawahi. Okay, so you have already completed, yeah, you have got completed already. Yeah, you have a complete text already, mulai dari topik, point and elaboration. That's good. Thank you, Amel. Yeah. Okay, now let me have you Rilo. Questions. Describe the town where you live. Yeah. Describe the, okay. Ya, jadi describe the town where you live. Biasanya kita yang mau dideskripsikan apa, yang mau disebutkan apa, yang mau di-share apa aja gitu. Rilo, di sini poinnya apa aja yang disebutkan when you describe about your town?
When I describe my town where I live, I point that what my town is well known for and the high growth of the population, I think.
Yeah, can you highlight the point?
Oh, sure. Wait a minute.
Being born in East Java, I was raised in East Jakarta because my parents chose to live near from my grandparents. Jangan lupa grandparents, kasih apostrophe koma atas ya, house. Grandparents' house. The town where I lived, pronoun I selalu ditulis dengan menggunakan huruf besar, ya. Jadi dalam kalimat, mau dia di awal kalimat, di tengah-tengah selalu menggunakan huruf besar. Kalau bahasa Indonesia itu Anda, ya. Anda itu selalu dituliskan dengan menggunakan huruf besar. For its markets, malah nggak pakai koma, Rilo, nggak pakai apostrophe. Its markets and stores which cover many days. Oke, berarti ada dua poin nih kayaknya Rilo ya. So you talk about markets and stores dan juga population ya.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, itu. Jadi misalnya poinnya ini, the town where I lived, ya, is well known for its markets and stores which cover many daily life needs ya. Baru poinnya ya, you haven't got the elaborations already. Misalnya kalau kita elaborate, bisa kita apain nih? Markets and stores ya.
Some example maybe?
Yeah, for example, some examples. Misalnya bisa langsung digabung jadi satu juga bisa, as I said ya. Nggak harus for example jadi satu kalimat. Kalau kira-kira sudah cukup, ya you can make it into one. Misalnya cover many daily life needs ya. That is ya, atau koma for example, langsung kasihin daily needs-nya itu seperti apa saja gitu. Then you got the elaboration. If you do have more time, ya nggak more time sih. If you want to make longer sentences ya, bisa di titik terus pakai kata for example, there are gitu. Ya, tambah elaborationsnya ya Rilo. Terus yang kedua, ya consequently karena apa? It also had high rate of populations and become more dense day by day, ya. Apakah si populationsnya ini, correct me if I'm wrong ya, itu adalah akibat dari si apa nih Rilo? Akibatnya dari markets and stores nggak? Consequently nih. Kalau consequently kan biasanya kita gunakan untuk cause and effect ya. Ini akibatnya bukan?
I think I was mistaken for that time. Maksudnya mungkin waktu itu kepikirannya ini, nah mungkin banyaknya toko dan market kali ya. Jadi itu the effect ada, it has something to do with high rate of population.
Okay. Ya, if it makes sense nggak apa-apa that the existence of stores and markets itu affected the populations. Yeah, if that is the way it is, ya, becoming more dense day by day, ya mungkin banyak more people getting business atau apa itu bisa diperjelas, mungkin nggak tahu-tahu ke population sih ya. Misalnya for example there are more people choosing business as their parts of life atau to earn for a living, ya, and more people are coming to this city gitu. Nah itu mungkin nanti bisa dikaitkan gitu Rilo. Jadi nggak langsung markets and stores-nya itu, I got the idea ya. Cuman ditata lagi kalimatnya. Jadi dikaitkan dengan orang-orang yang datang ke there are more people coming to this city to earn for living gitu. Itu mungkin bisa ditambahkan itu Rilo. Baru masuk deh. Consequently ya, it also had a high rate of population. Itu mungkin lebih pas ya. Jadi nggak tahu-tahu gimana ceritanya kok si markets and stores ini bisa giving impact to the populations gitu. Ditambahin gitu Rilo. Itu bisa kita pakai consequently. Rilo, halo, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, gitu ya. Point elaborations. Read thus, to conclude ya. Is Jakarta, the town where I lived, had the most memories and always made me miss my hometown when I am far away. Ya, complete dari awal sampai akhir, but elaborationsnya kurang. Ya, but overall, you do have the structure, you have point sampai conclusion. Ya. So I think that's what I can share to every one of you, everyone. Jadi dari afternya ini silakan di highlight, just recheck ya whether you have really got the complete structure or not. Mulai dari apa? Topic sentence, kemudian supporting sentences-nya yang terdiri dari point in elaborations. And is that possible for you to mention more than one point? Ya, more than one point bisa nggak gitu? If you do have enough time, yeah, I think you can mention minimal 2 points, yeah, 2 points. And then by having 2 points, you can have an exposure, yeah, on the use of the conjunctions. Bisa tunjukkan ini first, ini similarly, first, secondly, ya. Bisa nambah satu lagi, finally, gitu. Dan masing-masing poin elaborate the ideas. Pastikan yang sudah menyebutkan topik ada elaborationsnya enggak. At the end, conclusion. Yeah. So I'm so sorry I cannot have each of your work discussed here. But if you do have any questions, inshallah, I will share. Yeah. What time will you have the test tomorrow? Will you do it at the same time?
I think no,
No, I
Miss.
think it's up to us.
No, it depends on us.
Oh, okay. So, but you do have the same day, different time, perhaps.
Bebas, Miss. Cuma maksimal tanggal 17 dikumpulin nilainya.
Oh ya, tapi considerations-nya kalau in 48 hours, kalau kalau misalnya tanggal 16 mungkin nggak bisa tanggal 17 ya. So I assume that everyone take the test tomorrow. That's my assumptions. Kalau resultnya gitu, Sosan, 48 hours kan hasilnya?
Iya, Miss.
Yeah. Anyway, if you do still have any questions, inshallah I will be able to to give you my hands ya. Kalau masih ada yang terkait dengan yang sudah kita pelajari, I wish you a very good luck tomorrow. Can we take a screenshot for the last time for this meeting? Ya. Oke ya, finally ya, pertemuan ke-20. Semoga latihan dan diskusinya bermanfaat. I hope you get more improvement in your skills. I know you're already good, but I can see that everyone is getting much better. Yeah. So hopefully we can see in the real life. Yeah, if we get the opportunity, inshallah ya. Lewat online gitu. Okay, so let me count 3 for this ya, yang masih bisa nyalain kameranya, please. Meta, Crosita, ya. Let us count to 3. Cheese ya. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Take some rest after this, yeah. Take some rest and wish you all the best for tomorrow and for everything that you have in your life. Thank you. Until next time, yeah, inshallah. Assalamualaikum. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Take care, ya.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care, ya.